Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup EV trip data to Strava for commuting insights step by step clearly. Start by ensuring that your electric vehicle is properly equipped with telemetry or trip data logs. Open the mobile application associated with your vehicle. Locate the trip data or history section within the app. Review the available trip data to confirm the information you want to back up to Strava. Next, make sure you have the Strava app installed on your mobile device. If you do not have the Strava app installed, head over to your device's app store and download it. Once Strava is installed, open the app and log in to your Strava account. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. Now, return to your vehicle's app and find the option for exporting or sharing trip data. Select the desired trip data you wish to back up. Look for a Share or Export button within that section of the vehicle app. Choose the option to share or export your trip data to another application. From the sharing options, select Strava. You may need to grant permissions for the vehicle app to connect with Strava. Follow any prompts that appear to complete the connection. You should see a confirmation that the trip data has been successfully imported into Strava. To verify, open the Strava app and navigate to your activities feed. Check for the newly uploaded trip data to ensure it has been backed up correctly. Review the activity details to gain insights into your commuting patterns. Explore the various statistics and metrics provided by Strava to analyze your trip data. Consider setting a routine for regular data backups to keep your commuting insights up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.